Making a Turkish tiramisu this morning. We're starting out with how many cups of milk?
3 cups.
3 cups of milk. And this is the Turkish version, so it's a little bit of a twist of the traditional tiramisu.
Tablespoon of cornstarch.
We're adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Tablespoons of flour.
We're adding 2 tablespoons of flour to the
1
mixture.
cup
Sugar. You want to keep a pretty good eye on this. You're going to stir it, get the lumps out, and put it on the stove. When you're making your custard for your tiramisu, it's important to keep stirring so the milk doesn't scald and it doesn't burn. Patience is the key. When it comes to a boil, it's finished. Take it off the heat and continue whipping it. Sometimes you can add egg to it, but in this case we're going to add whipping cream. Now we're adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream to the custard mixture. A package of Philadelphia cream cheese that's been softened to room temperature. And we're going to mix it again. You've got to blend it well. Making our chocolate sauce for our Turkish tiramisu, we have heavy whipping cream. We're adding some milk chocolate and white chocolate to our cream to make our chocolate sauce. And we're going to let it melt in the cream. It's going to be a very rich sauce. Adding sugar to our chocolate sauce. Added milk chocolate and white chocolate to make our chocolate sauce. And over here, Nermeen is stirring it. It's been cooking in the cream, and now it's kind of watery.
1 cup hot water.
Now we're making a coffee syrup, so we're taking a cup of hot water, and we have instant coffee, and we're adding 1 tablespoon instant coffee to our hot water. Now we're adding 2 tablespoons of sugar to our coffee syrup. So now we're taking our broken ladyfingers and we're dipping them and actually soaking them in the coffee syrup and then placing them in a glass. And now we're taking our custard mixture and we're pouring it over our coffee syrup soaked ladyfingers. Okay, and here comes the best part, the homemade chocolate sauce for our Turkish tiramisu. So we're grating our chocolate for the topping for our Turkish tiramisu.